All right, in this portion of the lab, we're going to download Network Monitor to Server C. Let's just double check to see what kind of processor we have in Server C. So I'm going to go right click on Computer and go to Properties. Looks like we have a 64-bit operating system here. So I'm going to close that out, keep that in mind. Open up Internet Explorer. All right, and then once we open up Internet Explorer and get into Google here, we're just going to Google Network Monitor 3.4. It's the latest version from Microsoft. When you're downloading Network Monitor, or really anything, make sure you get it from Microsoft and not, opnet.com or Timmy's blog whatever. You could be getting some extra stuff you don't want to get. So make sure this is from Microsoft. Click on that link to download. It's from Microsoft. Again, I can check the URL to double check and make sure that this is Microsoft. Go down here and specify the download that's appropriate for my processor. Again, I have an X64 processor. This is 32-bit, 64, and then Titanium processor. So we're going to click on Download. You could run it from here. I like to save it. Save it to my desktop or save it to downloads, whatever floats your boat. No big deal. Again, I'm going to specify my desktop. Save it. Close that out, and let's go ahead and double-click it to install Network Monitor. Network Monitor installation is a very, very simple, easy process to make happen. It's really, as you'll see here in just a moment, just a next, okay, thanks, have a nice day. Accept the license agreement. Use Microsoft Update to check for updates. Let's just do a typical. We do want to create a shortcut. Change the current cap file association network monitor. Yeah, let's do that. So any .cap files will be opened up with Microsoft Network Monitor. So capture files. Let's go ahead and say install. I'm sorry, get a little shortcut on our desktop. Finish. All right, come on, do your thing. While this is wrapping up, I was just going to show you in the Network and Sharing Center, if we look at our adapter settings, if we look at one of our adapters, for example, properties, we should have a new item on there called the Network Monitor 3 driver, which is associated with that adapter. That allows us to capture the packets to and from our machine, promiscuous mode, the whole 9 yards. So looks like we finished up our installation. Good to go, very simple. We can just double click Network Monitor, and there we go. We're ready to start rocking and rolling and capturing some packets. That's all we had to do for this lab.